Hi Internet! Today I will be unboxing and reviewing the Crystal fan. This is a rechargeable travel fan that is shaped like a perfume bottle. It does come in different colors. I believe they have it in black and white as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. Okay. I think these are the colors here. I did order the pink one. Okay, so it uses micro USB. So I might need to charge this if it hasn't come charged. Comes with a little manual. Here are the instructions. Now this also comes with a fragrance thing that you can attach to the fan. It's supposed to smell like lemon. Kind of interesting. I've never seen a fan like this before. I believe I paid about 13 USD for this product in November of 2023. That is really beautiful. That is really stunning. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and measure this really quickly. Okay. So it's about 3 inches across and a little over with the top. It's a little over 5 inches tall. It stands up really nicely. Okay, and here's the bottom. Crystal fan. To see a world in a grain of sand and a heaven in a wild flower. Hold infinity in the palm of your hand and eternity in an hour. Okay, and that's the charging port there. I'm trying to remember how this opens up. I'm not sure if this is a button or not. Let me take a look at the manual. Okay, so first click to turn on with low speed, second click to medium speed, and then high speed on the third click. And then to turn it off, you do the fourth click. Okay, so there's the off and on button. But I'm just curious, how do I take this out? Okay, so I had to push from the bottom. Really nice. Okay, so extended. It is a little over 20 inches long. Wait, that's wrong. I am so silly. Okay, this is the inches. It's a little over 7 inches. Oh, it's actually 8 inches. Okay. Yeah, really, really nice. I really like the shape of this. It is a clear plastic. Okay, so it looks like you would attach... okay, so there's a cap here. It looks like you would attach the fragrance circle thing onto here, the tab. Really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just to show the speed, or maybe I should use a piece of paper instead. So this is the second speed, third speed, and then off. Okay, first speed, second speed, third speed, off. Whoa, very nice. That is pretty neat. I'm gonna try it on my face because that's what I really purchased this for. It is quite loud, but that's not really a problem for me. I think the low speed is enough for what I need it for. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, so I don't know how much battery is on here, but I'm gonna charge it anyway after this video so I can take it on my trip with me today. And I'm gonna try this too. I'm gonna go ahead and put this tab in. So this is a lemon tab. I wish it came with like a lavender or eucalyptus. It smells amazing. I read somewhere that eating sour candy on a trip, like if you have motion sickness, sour candy is supposed to help, or like supposed to help with anxiety or something like that. I don't know. Maybe that's why they went with lemon. Whew, that's really strong. Okay, I don't know if it's supposed to be facing this way or the other way, but let me remove the cap. Okay. Okay, so. All right, putting the cap on. And let's see if it smells like anything. That would be really cool. This is such a unique product. Okay, I'm not really feeling the lemon. I'm not really feeling the lemon, and I'll explain why. It reminds me of the way that cars smell. This is gonna sound weird. I don't know if other people will find this relatable, but the smell of cars makes me sick because I have motion sickness. So I've associated that like new car smell, or just most car smells. I've associated that with motion sickness. So I'm probably not gonna use this. It kind of reminds me of the scented trees that people put in their cars. So I don't think I'm going to use this for this product. I'm going to put that to the side. So that's my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I think this is really, really cute. I might even prank some people. Like when I'm riding with people, I'll be like, hey guys, would you like some perfume? And then say, psych, it's just a fan. So it is a little difficult to get out of the container. Okay, I see where the motor is. I love transparency like that. It's so pretty. Really, really nice. And I love the fact that it's pink. I think it'll look really cute in my handbag for when I'm traveling. And yeah. And I think this is also like customizable in my opinion. I did a unboxing 1,000 stickers series on my YouTube channel. And I have so many beautiful pink girly stickers that I can, if this starts to wear off, I can just put them on here. But yeah, that's just a side note. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I'm really happy to have this product. None of my videos are sponsored. This is all just me making these videos for fun, and I hope you found it entertaining. Bye guys.